This is a robot we built to give Bao a treat whenever someone subscribes. And that's just the first of 3 insane things we designed this robot to do whenever we gain a subscriber. Let's build it. Our first idea comes from Bao, and she wants you to feed her. We start out with this treat launcher we found at our local Humane Society thrift shop. Let's open it up and see how it works. Pressing the trigger, it pulls the plunger back. Treats passively fall into the barrel. Pressing the trigger farther, this latch releases and it shoots out the treats. Unfortunately, this servo we have isn't going to be strong enough to press the trigger, so we'll have to design our own treat shooter. From our experience with our dog training robot, we wanted to use a magazine for the treats versus a hopper. We put together a prototype and tried it out. Which led us to this design. The linear slide is pulled back using this cam. The treat index is down with gravity. The linear slide continues back until the cam slips and shoots the treat. This is great, but now we have to figure out how to get the subscribe button to control this. Now, I'm not very good at programming, but as an engineer, I can solve complex problems. So I found this project online and stole the code. Adding a few basic lines of code, the program can now pull subscriber data from the YouTube API and trigger the treat shooter, all while displaying subscriber and view count on this screen. Printing out a few more parts out of some freshly made wood filament, we're able to get this into a nice, clean design. Featuring the same shirt as our trash speaker. Let's give it a try. If we press the subscribe button, it works. We'll give this idea 9 out of 10. Oh yeah, we'll be ranking these, and the best idea gets a prize. So now, if you subscribe to the channel, you can give Bao a treat for being a good girl. Go ahead. Okay, well, if that didn't convince you, then let's move on to the next idea that was voted on by our subscribers, who apparently hate us. But, alright, let's give you guys what you want. We brainstormed some things that could be annoying. We ultimately decided on loud noises. We ended up designing and printing this air horn that uses a balloon as the diaphragm. And this thing is loud. We considered making it smaller because we have a nice personality, but the sound was disappointing. We'll hook this electric air pump up to the air horn so we can control it. Now that's annoying. Giving you guys this much power is a mistake, but hey, for every 100 subscribers, we'll have this thing go off. Three out of 10. By the way, if you're watching this within the first week of us posting this video, we'll have a live stream of this robot so you can watch all the chaos unfold. You know, the air horn's annoying, but can we make it more annoying? We found these confetti cannons online. You just twist the knob and it covers everything confetti. We got this design to actuate the confetti cannon. We'll plug it into this port on the subscribe counter, which is connect it to a relay and test this thing out. The motor isn't strong enough. We thought maybe we over-tightened the clamp, so we tried loosening it, but that didn't help. Now, we could replace this with a stronger motor, but we actually have a better idea. I'm sure you've noticed, when we've said subscribe, the subscribe button has lit up, and if you actually click the subscribe button, it'll light up and have confetti. So for our next idea, we'll bring these subscribe button animations to life. We'll just stick this on here for now and move on. While examining the confetti cannon, I accidentally shot it off. These are convenient, but single use. I think we can make a better one ourselves. We built this using an air mattress pump and a pipe, which is close to how traditional confetti cannons work, like you'd see at a concert. We'll fill the pipe with confetti, and the pump will blow air, which should shoot out the confetti. Let's try it out. That works so much better. To control it, we built this outlet that'll connect to the sub counter. We'll plug it in along with this light to complete the animation. We'll have this go off to celebrate every 500 subs. Seven out of 10. So that means the best idea came from Bao, so she wins the belly rubs.